Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Look what I got. This is my 5th TEMU Haul. So far, just about everything has arrived in good condition, except for them foil pans I bought. But to be packed like this, I kind of expected them to be kind of smushed, but they're still usable. So I didn't even bother with getting reimbursed or having any more scent. They would have been smashed also. But anyway, I like TEMU a lot. So this is my 5th TEMU haul. And I think I'm going to get rid of the TEMU app. I'm thinking, I ain't say I was, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna open this. I was getting ready to take a shower. So I heard Walter come in with something that sounded like this. I got excited. I said, oh, I hope that's my TEMU. And it was. Okay. Pulling out something colorful. Okay, whose is this? Okay, it's a 2 extra large, so it must be mine. Oh, snap. Okay, y'all know I like this kind of stuff. It looks like I got something like it. It seems like I got something like it. So, you know what? When I start picking TEMU clothes, I go by the size chart. You can't go by the size you think is going to fit. Go by their measurement chart. Okay. So I got the 2 extra large. I took my measurements, then I used their measurement size chart. Okay. So where the back is. Ooh, I'm going to be cute this summer. Hello. And they gave me a nice bag instead of the regular plastic bag. It's a nice Ziploc bag. Good for wigs. This is one of the nice bags as opposed to this. This is what I've been getting. This kind of Ziploc bag that my stuff come in. This is a regular old plastic bag. This one is nice. It's good for storing wigs in. You give some people nice bags like this. Some people get boxes. I don't know how to get a box. My stuff's shipped in boxes. Because I have had some nice size orders. Oh, look at this, y'all. Bet y'all don't know what this is. I mean, yeah, it's a leaf, but you don't know what it's for. Let me get it out of here. It's something I had never seen before, so some of y'all ain't never seen it either. Look at this. You know how when you water your plants, just pour the water in there, and sometimes one of the leaves will get wet and drip below to the shelf below it. Well, this way you can put this leaf right there in the dirt where ain't no leaves in the way. Water it and the water just drip right in the dirt. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to leave this in one of my plants. So when I'm ready to water my plants, it's handy. Just a leaf, sturdy plastic, not flimsy. I thought this was nice. I will put the prices of everything in my video when I'm editing. This is called a watering diverter. Okay. Watering diverter. It diverts the water right to where you want it. What's this? Oh, this is just what I needed. It ain't even got no name to it, y'all. This wig ain't nothing. So far ain't nothing had no bad smell except them fake plants, fake flowers I bought the other day. No stackingest plants ever. But they go outside. Got me a wig. The cap looks kind of small. This is cute. Look at that. Such body. I think it's in the color black. I don't know. Black 10-inch wig. Okay, I think this may have been the only color. If it fits, I'm going to like it. Oh, and it has a fake skin part right there. But I'm going to fix that up, make it look like a lace part. Okay. This is how it's made inside, just on a cap. No combs. It does have 2 adjustable straps in here. And no ear tabs. That's how that looks. I hope it fits. Right now it's looking pretty small because I got a big head. Alright, to go with my big body. Okay. I was waiting for these. Y'all know in one of my hauls, I think it may have been my first or second TEMU haul, I bought those reusable Ziploc bags, and I also bought the mason jar looking bags. And I needed some way to clean up inside the corners and the creases. So I got these silicone bottle brushes. Get all up in there, you know. Silicone. They come in different colors, so I chose blue. Very nice. So that's the reason I got these, to clean the inside of those reusable Ziploc bags. Okay? Okay, I got some fake grass. How many I get? It's different. Uh-oh. Okay. We got fake grass. Y'all know I recently bought some pot heads. I'm going to show you. They flower pots, and they got cute little faces. I call them pot heads. This came with, okay. This smells funny, but it don't smell bad as them flowers I bought. Okay. And you can open it up. I bought them for the pot head. Okay, I'm gonna need some of that floral foam to put in here. And so, this is what she's gonna look like. I'm trying to see. I'll figure out which head this looks the best in. Let's see. Don't know yet. Okay. I didn't know I had bought 2 of these plant watering diverters. But here's the other one. And stuff is super cheap. I say, why not? Okay, here's another, some kind of plant. What is this? Bamboo leaf. Okay. I had a bamboo, a lucky bamboo, and it didn't look like this. This smells funny too. The plastic. Ugh. Okay, that's the way it looks. Let's see which. I'm not sure which pot head is going in, but it's going in something. That's the reason I bought these fake leaves. And here's something else. Is that the same? Bamboo. 12-inch, 1-branch bamboo leaf. So it's the same as this. Because I like the plants to be nice and full. So that's what I got that for. What else in here? No, I did not. Got another one. I bought 3. They must have been mighty, mighty cheap, y'all. Okay. Oh, I've been waiting for this. My eyebrow stencil. I saw my one of my honeys, Lynette. She found an eyebrow stencil. They got the stencil for both eyebrows. What I got is the ones that is good for one eyebrow, and then you flip it over and then use it on the other eyebrow. And of course, you can never get the eyebrows straight because one may go on good, and then you put the other one on, it may be too low or too high or cockeyed and lopsided. This one goes straight across both eyebrows. And it has a bunch of, is that everything in here? And it got a bunch of different shapes. I don't know how many. 3D thrush, no. Okay, I'm not sure how many different stencils it has, but I like the high arch. Oh, here's one right here. So what you do is push this out. Push it out. See how that looks? I like that. Oh, I see some more I like. Oh, that's too curved. I like this. So I'm sure I'll get some good use out of these. And it comes with a strap. So you can put it through these holes on the side if you want to. Attach it. I'm not going to be bothered with this strap. Because what I saw my friend do is put it on there, and then she just kind of pressed it in and it stuck. She always do her eyebrows first before she put on makeup. See, I got on makeup, so this ain't sticking. But we're gonna see. This is what I've been waiting for. Let me punch this out now. Eyebrow stencil. And you got measurements on it. So you can make sure you get everything lined up just right. Okay. I'm putting this through here. So it'll fit over the back of your head, just in case it don't stick like you want it to. I ain't putting this on right now, but I can if I want to. I have that option. Okay. You got these things to keep the string from coming out. And it's elastic. I like this, because I had so much trouble doing my eyebrows. Okay, one more thing here. Some clothes. Oh, some capris. I don't know if they're capris or shorts on me. I got them in the size 3 extra large. Everything smells okay. And it's got the little, like the lacy looking detail on the side of the leg. Look at that. Thought they were cute. And stretchy. Okay. I think it'll fit. It ain't gonna be too big. It ain't gonna be too small. I think it'll fit. Let me tell you the story behind these shorts. I had put them in my, what you call it, the cart, the shopping basket cart on TEMU. And they were in there for quite a while. And then TEMU messaged me and said they lowered the price. So I think these were like maybe $10 to start with. That's why they stayed in the cart so long. I didn't want to pay that much. And then I wound up paying $3 and something for these. They lowered the price. I mean, just for me, because they saw them in my cart. So if you got something you like and you don't want to pay that price, put it in your cart and leave it. And they will reduce the price just for you. So I can show on the screen the regular price of these, because that price ain't going to be for everybody. It was just for me. So that's the extent of my TEMU haul. Number 5. And I'm going to show these, because I really like these for cleaning the inside of those reusable Ziploc bags and the mason jar looking Ziploc bags. Okay. And it's not the brush material, and it's not the sponge. It's silicone. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And I'm thinking this is all I'm getting from TEMU. I think. I like them a lot, y'all. And it's so addictive. Okay. I'm gone for real now. Bye. I'll be putting my TEMU 30% off code somewhere in my video and also in my description box. Please use it. They're supposed to be giving me some kind of something, kickback or something for people using my code. So far I ain't seen nothing. But anyway, use my code. And I can tell you what it is. It's INC, small letters, 59570. That's my code. And you can get 30% off of your first time TEMU purchase. It's only for first time users. Because I tried to use my own code and they wouldn't let me. But one of my daughters used my code. And she was able to save $25 by using my code. She was a first time user. So, okay. I'm gone for real now. Bye.